In this video, we'll have a quick first look at the new ALPAKA Bravo Passport Pouch, which is in front of me right now. This is not a full review, this is just a first quick look. First, I will show you quickly the features, then we will see what fits inside, and then I will give you my first thoughts on this new pouch from ALPAKA. Let's go! So as you can see, the exterior looks like this. I think it's pretty good and it has some structure, which I really like, and it feels a little bit different than other ALPAKA slings. It's not really a sling, it's more like a pouch. As you can see here, you have the mag locks attachments that are standard ALPAKA. You can detach them. You can also remove this if you don't like it. If you just want to carry it by hand, you can just use it like this. So you can put it like this and just bring it like a pouch. You also have the option to put this one here or this one here, and to carry it vertically. So it also works, but it will open like this on the side, of course. So we will see the fit in the full video reviews that will come in the coming days or weeks. For the exterior, you see this is the black Axoflux 210D. You also have green at the time of release of this product. You have YKK zippers, of course, with AquaGuard coating, and you have these zipper pullers that are really good. That's it for the outside. For the inside, you have two pockets, one on the front here, and as you can see, the interior is a little bit different. I'm not sure I've seen ALPAKA gear with this, which is Axoflux X grid. Maybe it's the same material, not quite sure it's the same material than the Kickstarter that I have on another video right here, but it feels really good. Okay, here you have an AirTag pocket, so you can put it here, no problem, AirTag or whatever, here, and just this is just a plain pocket, so that's good. I think RFID blocking is only in the main compartment, but not quite too sure about it. And here is the main compartment, so you have the same material here, you have a pocket here, like you have a space, then you have a pen holder here, and then you have this compartment here. You have a magnet here and a magnet here. And on the other side maybe? No, only on one side, so you have a magnet here and a magnet here, and it pops like this to keep it in place. Here you have some card places, so you can put some cards here. We'll see it in the what fits inside section. If I open it fully, no, this is fully open, so you cannot open it more than this. You have the same material here, and you have a zippered pocket here. You have microfiber on the inside. I think it's the first time I've seen this on an ALPAKA gear. I'm not quite sure, maybe there are others, but for me it's the first time I've seen microfiber here. Really, really nice. I think ALPAKA is beginning to like upper a little bit their game, and really between this and the Traverse backpack that I have a video review right here, I think they are really on the very great path and they are going in the right direction. So, and here on the back you have this pocket, you have ALPAKA branding here, and I think that's pretty much it. So little pouch kind of thing that you can carry with different positions, so horizontal, vertical like this on you, or you can just carry it by hand like a pouch. Really nice offering. Now let's see what fits inside. Let's go. This is how you can pack it. You can of course put whatever you want inside, and as you can see, we'll see what I fit inside, but it's a pretty flat pouch. You can put some volume on the front pocket. In this pocket it's a little bit hard, it's more for really flat things. So on the front pocket here I put my Soundpro Liberty 4 Pros, I put a Rovivan 828 flashlight, and then that's it for this front pocket. On the back here, so let's open it. You can open it vertically like I said. You have a pen. In the pen holder, you have a passport here, you have some cards, so you can put, you have 3 places for cards. Of course, you can put 2 cards inside one place, but then it's more difficult to access, like so. Then I didn't put anything in the middle, but I think it's quite hard to put something here. And then I put here a Swiss Army knife. You can put really whatever you want, and since it's microfiber, maybe you want to put some little bits and pieces. And here I have a phone, so a S9 from a long time ago. And that's pretty much it for what you can fit inside. Now finally, what do I think of this little pouch? Well, I think the construction is really nice, I really like it. I like the fact that they use this material on the inside. I think, like I said, ALPAKA is upping the game. I really like their new offerings. And this is a pretty nice space to put your passport, some cards, and some everyday stuff. And it's a very flat pouch, so you can really put it against your body. Of course, it's not to put some big things, otherwise you have some slings also from Alpaka or others. This is more your passport, your phone, and some small essentials. And just to keep it low profile on you, maybe you are going to a festival or something, to a concert, and you just want this against you, very tightly fitted against you. So for this, I can really recommend it. I really like it. Of course, you have the link down below if you're interested. Don't forget that I have a 15% discount code if you want to buy it. It would be a shame not to use it, of course. I must say it's affiliate. And that's pretty much it. If you watched until here, it's because you like the content, so don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. A full review is coming in the coming weeks. See you, bye bye, ciao.